Hi everybody, this is Cheryl, and I have an unboxing video to do. I've got a good sized box there that I got in the mail. This box came from Matt A's Prepping and Survival. Now, recently Matt done a giveaway on his channel, and part of his giveaway was that if you won, tried to forward it to someone who needed it. And I had told him, I said, you know, I don't really know anybody that I could give it to because I didn't know who supported his channel. And he kind of wanted, you know, the people that, whoever got it, actually support his channel. And I said, you know, I know that I'm very much in need of gear and stuff. And so he said, you know what, you're in the drawing, but I'm going to send you a package anyway. And he did. It was very kind of him to do that, and I very, very much appreciate it. Now, I've cut it open, but I haven't actually opened the box yet. So I've got it cut open here, and let's just... oh my goodness, it is packed full. I'm going to kind of lift this up here so you can see it's pretty much packed full. Now, he had told me some of the things he might include in here, and so let's just take a look here. This is potassium iodine tablets. Okay. There you go. And that's going to be very helpful. I don't have anything like this at all, so that's going to be very, very helpful. I greatly appreciate that. And this, let's see if I can get it out of the sheath here. Is it? Oh, it's cooked in. Oh my goodness, it's a saw. Look at that. I do not have a saw, and I really, really needed one. Now, this is a SHTF Survival Saw. Can you see that? There we go. That is so cool. That is awesome. I did not have a saw, so Matt, you did a great thing there. This is awesome, and it's just the right size that it can fit into my bug out bag, my bug out kit, and this is going to be perfect. Thank you so much for that. I greatly, greatly appreciate that. Now, he included some hand warmers here, and that's going to come in handy. We love hand warmers. Here's another one. Awesome. Yeah, hand warmers come in very handy around here. He included a Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. I have not tried that one. That is really cool. That's going in my in one of our kits, our bug out kits. He also included some gauze. This is IV sponges and gauze sponges. Those will come in very handy. Very, very nice. And then there's a paracord bracelet. That's very. We don't have any paracord bracelets. That's awesome. Then he has here. Oh my goodness, a paracord fishing kit. There's a paracord fishing kit. That is really cool. And it has, it looks like there's a compass in there. There's a couple of compasses in there too. So that is really cool. That is going to come in very handy. Very nice. Appreciate that. And this, I'm not sure what this one is. Let me just open this up, take it out of the package. This is amazing. This is a big box. This video may be a little bit long. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a belt. Let's see if I can hold that up. Can you see what that is? It's like a molly belt or an ammo belt. That is really cool. That is really cool. That would be perfect for Chris, for sure. He definitely can use that. That is awesome. Thank you so much for that. Oh my goodness. Look at this ferro rod. That is so cool. That is amazing. That is, look at that. That is one big ferro rod. That is so cool. It smells good. That is really cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Then he included a whole stack. Oh my gosh, this box is just full. He included a bunch of these. They're the white tuna and pink salmon. They're the tuna packs. That is so cool. These would be perfect for our get home bags. And then this. Sorry, my cats. Oh my gosh. These are leather gloves. Can you see that? Leather. And they fill. Let's see. Is there something in them? Or they're just really heavy? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, they're a perfect fit. Perfect fit. That is awesome. They fit my hands perfectly. This is awesome. Okay. This says on here, SAP self-defense gloves for when you need to add some oomph to your punch. I don't know if you can see that. I doubt if you can see that. They're self-defense gloves, and they fit me perfect. I'm not kidding you. They are a perfect fit for me. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, thank you, Matt. You don't know what a relief something like that is to me. They're like super heavy. They got like stuff in them. Like here. This is so cool. I didn't even know they made something like this. That is awesome. That is perfect. And let's see. I've still got a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Aqua Straw personal water filters. And he sent 2 of those. And I only had 1 life straw. So now we've got one for each of our kids. And this is a Trailblazer folding saw. Another folding saw. Yes. Yes. That is awesome. Yay. We got 2 now. That is awesome. And then these are adhesive surgical dressings. He sent 3 of those. Those are really great. Those, I know when Angel had her surgery, we used the adhesive surgical dressings on her scar on her back. And I know these are really, really great. Really, really great. And let's see. And this is one of those. Oh, this is one of those fishing multi-tools. Let me hold that up there. Can you see? See the hooks? I really like that. Now, Wool Patriot sent me a couple that have a variety of these, but this one is the fishing one. That is so cool. That is, it goes with that other fishing kit too. Now, he included emergency food ration bars. Okay. Those are going to be handy. Oh my gosh, Matt, you have been so generous. So generous. And then he included a M48 Battle-Born pocket knife. Okay. see if I can get this out here. There's M48 pocket knife. Oh my gosh. Look at this knife. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Oh, and it fits perfect in my hand. Matt, you must have known my hand size because this stuff is all fitting me perfect. Look at that. That is awesome. I love that knife. That is totally awesome. All right. Now, one last thing in here is a camp shower. I have heard about these. It's a Trailblazer camp shower. And it's a 5-gallon camp shower. This is awesome. Matt, thank you so much. I just don't know what to say. This is going to help us so much. You just don't know. I mean, I can't thank you enough. This is great. I greatly appreciate that very, very much. And I want to make sure that you all remember to pray for Matt's mother. She had a really bad infection. She was very, very, very sick. She is slightly improving, but we need to pray hard. Continue to pray for Karen and Matt and his family as they go through this rough time. Please keep him and his mother in your prayers. Matt, thank you so much. You are a godsend. You really are. And you all have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.